Welcome to our guide on how to leverage Nexus AI for data analysis. Today, we'll show you how to use Nexus AI's large tabular model to turn complex datasets into actionable insights, enhancing your data analysis skills.
Did you know that 90% of the world's data was created in the last 2 years alone? Welcome to our video where we dive into Nexus AI, a revolutionary tool that's changing how enterprises handle vast datasets. In today's fast-paced digital world, companies are overwhelmed with the amount of data they collect daily. Nexus AI's large tabular model offers a powerful solution, providing accurate and insightful data processing capabilities. Stick around to learn how to integrate and apply this AI model to transform raw data into actionable insights. Large tabular models are at the heart of Nexus AI, designed to handle extensive datasets efficiently. These models consist of numerous interconnected nodes that process data in parallel, providing speed and accuracy unmatched by traditional methods. The unique architecture allows for the seamless integration of new data, making it highly adaptable to the dynamic needs of enterprises. Unlike traditional models, which struggle with scale and complexity, large tabular models excel by breaking down data into manageable chunks, ensuring each piece is analyzed with precision. This leads to faster decision-making and more reliable insights.
Integrating data into Nexus AI is crucial for its effectiveness. The process begins with data cleaning, which ensures that only relevant and high-quality information is used. Next, data from various sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and APIs are consolidated into a single format that Nexus AI can process efficiently. Tools like ETL, extract, transform, load, are often employed to streamline this process. While integration might seem daunting, Nexus AI supports various platforms, making it easier to incorporate existing systems. Following best practices, such as maintaining data consistency and security, further enhances integration success. Training a Nexus AI model involves several key steps. First, you need to prepare your data, ensuring it's clean and well-structured. Then, feeding this data into the model begins the training process, where the AI learns patterns and relationships. Optimization is crucial here. Techniques like hyperparameter tuning and cross-validation help refine the model's accuracy. Monitoring performance through metrics such as accuracy, precision, and recall is essential. Regular adjustments and retraining can significantly improve results. Be wary of overfitting, where models perform well on training data but poorly on unseen data, and ensure diversity in your datasets to avoid bias.
Real-time data processing is a game-changer for businesses, allowing them to make informed decisions instantly. Nexus AI excels in this area by continuously analyzing data as it streams in. This capability is vital for applications like fraud detection, where milliseconds can make a difference. By leveraging parallel computing and advanced algorithms, Nexus AI ensures that even the largest datasets are processed without delay. Real-time processing brings numerous advantages, such as improved customer experiences and operational efficiency. However, it also presents challenges like managing data velocity and volume, which Nexus AI addresses with its scalable infrastructure.
Let's explore some real-world examples of how Nexus AI is transforming industries. In the retail sector, companies have integrated Nexus AI to optimize supply chains, resulting in significant cost savings and improved inventory management. Financial institutions use Nexus AI for risk assessment and fraud detection, enhancing security and customer trust. Healthcare organizations leverage its capabilities for patient data analysis, leading to better treatment outcomes. Each case study highlights the transformative power of Nexus AI, showcasing increased efficiency and profitability. These success stories underscore the vast potential of Nexus AI, paving the way for future innovations. Implementing Nexus AI comes with its set of challenges. One major concern is ensuring data security and privacy, particularly when dealing with sensitive information. Implementing robust encryption and access controls can mitigate these risks. Another challenge is maintaining model accuracy over time, necessitating regular updates and retraining to accommodate new data. Additionally, integrating Nexus AI with existing systems can be complex, requiring careful planning and execution. However, these challenges are surmountable with the right strategies, such as adopting agile methodologies and fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation within the organization.
As we look to the future, Nexus AI is poised to lead in several emerging trends. The integration of AI with IoT devices will enable smarter, more interconnected systems, while advancements in natural language processing will enhance human-machine interactions. Nexus AI's scalability will support the growing demand for personalized services across industries. Predictive analytics will become more sophisticated, allowing businesses to anticipate market trends and consumer needs with unprecedented accuracy. To prepare for these advancements, organizations must invest in AI literacy and infrastructure, ensuring they remain competitive in an increasingly AI-driven world. As we wrap up, we've seen how Nexus AI's large tabular model can transform your data analysis efforts. From understanding its core functionalities to exploring real-time processing and successful case studies, Nexus AI offers a robust solution for handling complex datasets. I encourage you to dive deeper and explore how Nexus AI can benefit your organization. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your network. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and data analysis. Thank you for watching.